Good afternoon. How's everybody on YouTube doing? Hope you're doing well. Dave here. Coming up with the replacement camera, and I call it the replacement camera because there was nothing wrong with the other camera other than the fact that the moment I did a firmware update, it did a reboot on my camera. For some unknown reason, that firmware was bad, and I'm not the only one that complained about it, because there was dozens of people that came out on forum with that same problem. But luckily, this GoPro Hero 10 was replaced, because it's been less than a year since I bought it, and it was replaced under warranty, even though it had the insurance. But I just tried it underwater just a few minutes ago. It worked nice. I'll be probably sending it over to YouTube. But this is me inside the jacuzzi at the Gold Gym here in Austin, Texas. Like always, I'm gonna dip this thing underwater, even though the water's pretty hot. But I think it should keep the seal fine. I've done it before and nothing's ever happened, but I'm gonna put it underwater again. I don't think anything happened, but I doubt it. Still, for safety's sake, I brought the towel so I can dry it up real quick. The door is fine, and now the only thing that I was afraid of was that on the GoPro Hero 9, I had bought it brand new also, and I never put it underwater until 10 months later, and water went in. GoPro replaced that one, and it's on the way over here. It's on its way over here now, so got 5:38 p.m. Friday, April the 15th, and I want need to get back in. So I gotta head on to work because I do work the night shift. So I need to go in. I still need to go put fuel in the truck and give it a quick wash before I head over to the ranch. So you all have a good day. Be safe. Maintain that social distancing, and God bless everyone.